Let me see you swim.
Where is it?
Right in here. This is about the deepest area I've seen so far on this side.
This is deep. Okay, who dares me to go on?
I dare you.
Go under.
Okay.
Don't drink any of this water though. Do
Yes.
not. Not a good idea.
Ready? I point my nose. One. I'll tell you if it's really cold or not.
Okay.
But you get used to it. You know that, right?
Yeah.
I might swim the rest of my way there.
Okay.
One. Wait, just I'm gonna get. Okay, ready?
Here we go.
One. Two. Oh my God!
Okay. Let me see how pretty the view is where you're swimming in the grotto. What do you think of it? Look at all this. What was that? Do it again. Let me see it again. I fell.
Okay, ready?
Okay, let me see you swim.
I'm gonna swim the rest of my way there.
Close your eyes.
Huh?
Close your
I
eyes.
know, I do. I'm not
Careful not to hit any rocks.
Yeah. Okay, go.
I'll swim right over there.
That's a good idea.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah, it looks clear that way.
I'm gonna cut back to Shelly. Is it deep there, Shelly? Pretty deep?
It's right there. It's fairly deep. It's not deep right here.
You go there, because I don't want to hit my head.
Okay.
That's
Go
a
that
big
way.
hit.
She wants you to go to the deep, Shelly.
Yeah, I'm gonna swim to you.
Go to the deep, Shelly.
Okay.
Here we go. Watch this.
I'm
There.
watching.
Can you guys see the water? You'll see. You'll either say pink or you'll see this.
You're running out of time.
Ready? Go.
Hug Shelly. Give Shelly a big hug. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.